Have you ever wondered how much dust is removed by a dust cyclone separator and how much of that dust actually then reaches your dust collections filter? Well, let's find out. I have 2 bins of sawdust here filled with a mixture of fine particles and also larger chips. First, we'll use only the Dust Right 1250 dust collector to empty the first bin. We clean the filter and replace the dust collection bag with a clean bag. Now we connect the 4-inch dust separator and use the 1250 dust collector with the 4-inch dust separator connector. Now let's clean the filter again and remove the dust collector bag. Now let's compare the bags. So where did all the dust go when we used the separator? Well, most of it's right here in the separator and didn't even make it over to the dust collector, which means that we had a cleaner air filter, giving us better airflow and better dust collection.